and welcome back to Oh Mao Easy English, the place where learning English feels simple and enjoyable. I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma, and hello to all our lovely listeners tuning in today. It's so nice to be here again.
It really is. How are you doing today, Daniel?
I'm doing fantastic, thank you. I feel calm, rested, and honestly very happy.
Rested and happy, that's a great combination. You look very relaxed, too.
Thank you. I had a wonderful week. What about you? How was your week, Emma?
Pretty good, but also quite busy. I had a lot of editing and meetings. I'm so glad to sit down and chat now.
Same here. I always enjoy these podcast moments. So, what are we talking about today?
Today's topic is something that brings smiles to everyone: vacations.
Ooh, vacations. That's one of my favorite things to talk about.
Mine too. We'll practice how to talk about our vacations in English, how to ask questions, share experiences, and use natural phrases.
That's perfect. Conversations about holidays are always happy and full of good vocabulary.
Exactly. But before we begin, can we ask a small favor from our listeners?
Of course. Everyone, if you enjoy listening to Oh Mao Easy English, please take a second to hit the like button.
Yes, that little thumbs up helps a lot. It tells the algorithm that you like what we do. And please subscribe so you never miss new lessons.
And if you know someone who's learning English, share this podcast with them. It really helps our small channel grow.
Thank you all for your support. Okay, Daniel, are you ready?
Absolutely. Let's talk about vacations.
So, Daniel, you look very relaxed today. What's your secret?
Well, the secret is I was on vacation last week.
Ah, I guessed it. That explains the big smile. Where did you go?
I went to the beach.
The beach. That's my favorite place. Was it a nice trip?
It was incredible. The weather was perfect, and I didn't have to worry about work at all.
That sounds amazing. Which beach did you visit?
It's called Ocean Breeze Bay, a small, quiet beach about 3 hours from my city.
What a lovely name. Ocean Breeze Bay. It sounds peaceful.
It really was. Every morning, I woke up to the sound of waves.
That's my dream. What time did you usually wake up?
Not early at all. Around 9 in the morning. No alarms, no rush.
That's the best part of being on vacation. No schedule.
Exactly. After I got up, I had breakfast on the balcony. Just a cup of coffee, some toast, and tropical fruit.
Simple but perfect.
Then I'd take a slow walk on the sand. In the morning, the beach was almost empty. You could only hear seagulls and the waves.
Oh, I can imagine that. It must have been so calm.
It was. The weather helped too. It was sunny every single day. Warm, but not too hot.
Lucky you. No rain at all?
Not a drop, just blue skies. I even went swimming in the sea.
You're brave. Wasn't the water cold?
At first, yes, but after a minute, it felt great. I love floating in the ocean and watching the clouds.
That sounds wonderful. I think I need a beach trip too.
You definitely should. After swimming, I'd relax on a beach chair and read.
What kind of book did you bring?
A mystery novel. I spent hours reading under an umbrella. It was so peaceful.
Reading at the beach with the sound of waves, pure happiness.
Totally. I was there for a whole week with my wife and our 2 kids.
A family vacation. That's so special.
Yes, the kids loved it. They built giant sand castles with buckets and tiny flags.
How cute. Did they collect seashells too?
Oh, yes, dozens of them. White, pink, even some blue ones. We have a little jar full of shells at home now.
That's such a lovely memory.
In the afternoons, we'd all take naps. The sea breeze makes you sleepy.
A nap by the beach? That's my kind of vacation.
Exactly. It was quiet and relaxing. And the food, Emma, the food was incredible.
Tell me more. What did you eat?
Mostly seafood, grilled fish, shrimp, and fresh salads. We ate at little restaurants near the water.
That sounds delicious. Did you cook it all?
No cooking. That's my #1 rule when on vacation.
Smart rule.
For lunch, we usually had sandwiches or noodles. For dinner, fresh fish and rice. Simple, healthy, and tasty.
And dessert? Please tell me there was dessert?
Of course. Every evening, we walked to a small ice cream shop.
Nice. What flavor did you get?
Chocolate, my all-time favorite. My wife had vanilla, and the kids tried something different every day. Mango, coconut, strawberry, even cookie flavor.
That sounds so fun. Ice cream at the beach is a must.
It really is. We laughed so much that week. No plans, no stress, just family time.
That's exactly what a vacation should be. I'm happy for you.
Thanks, Emma. I feel fresh and ready to work again.
That's the goal. Okay, my turn. I actually have a vacation coming soon, too.
Really? Where are you going?
To the mountains.
The mountains? That's totally different from the beach.
Yes, no ocean waves, just green trees and fresh air. I love it.
That sounds peaceful. What will you do there?
Mostly hiking. I want to walk in the forest, breathe clean air, and take pictures.
That's great. Hiking is such a good way to relax and stay healthy.
Exactly. I'm going with 2 of my best friends.
Ah, friends trip. Those are always full of laughter.
Yes, we rented a small cabin in the woods. It has a fireplace and a big window with a mountain view.
That sounds so cozy. Don't forget your warm clothes.
Already packed, thick socks, gloves, and a big jacket.
Nice. Will you cook or go to restaurants?
We'll cook. The cabin has a small kitchen. We're planning to make pasta and vegetable soup.
Yum. Perfect for a cold evening.
Yes, and of course, hot chocolate at night while sitting by the fire.
Now that sounds like a dream.
I can't wait. During the day, we'll explore trails, and at night, we'll play card games and talk.
Simple, relaxing, and full of good memories. Just like my beach trip.
Exactly. Whether it's the sea or the mountains, vacations make us feel alive again. Okay, Daniel, let's help our listeners review some useful words and phrases from today's talk.
Good idea. The first word is vacation. Some people also say holiday, especially in British English.
Right. For example, I'm on vacation, or I'm going on vacation next month.
Then we used the word beach. You can say, I went to the beach, or I love walking on the beach.
And don't forget mountains. I went to the mountains. Easy, right?
Very. We also said relax, rest, and take a nap.
Yes. To relax means to feel calm, to stop working or worrying.
And nap means a short sleep, usually during the day.
Exactly. We also used sunny, warm, and cloudy. Those are words to describe the weather.
Right. For example, it was sunny and warm every day.
Another useful phrase, what did you do? That's how you ask someone about their vacation activities.
And the answer can start with, I went, I did, or I saw. For example, I went swimming, I read a book, I ate seafood.
Good. And when you want to ask for someone's opinion, you say, how was it?
Yes, you can answer, it was great, it was relaxing, it was wonderful.
Or maybe it was boring, but hopefully not.
Yes, we prefer wonderful vacations.
We also said ice cream, sandcastle, shells, and fireplace. All great vocabulary for travel conversations.
Exactly. You can even practice by asking your friends, where did you go on your last vacation?
Yes, and they can answer, I went to the beach, or I went to the mountains.
That's how easy and fun English practice can be.
Wow, time really flies when we talk about happy things like vacations.
It sure does. I loved sharing my beach story, and I can't wait to hear how your mountain trip goes.
Thank you, and thank you to everyone listening to us today.
Yes, we hope this episode helped you learn new words and feel more confident speaking English.
If you enjoyed our chat, please subscribe to Oh Meow Easy English and give this episode a big thumbs up.
And don't forget to share it with one friend who's also learning English. Learning together is always better.
Before we go, we have a small challenge for you.
Yes, in the comments, tell us, where did you go on your last vacation? Or where do you want to go next?
Do you dream of the beach, the mountains, or a busy city? Tell us in English. It's great practice.
We'll read your answers in the next episode.
Thank you again for joining us today.
Thank you. Have a wonderful week, everyone.
See you next time on Oh Meow Easy English.